50th anniversary of the Friends at the Macon County Library. And albeit it's belated due to COVID, this was something that was planned for last year, but I'm just glad that we're able to assemble together today. My name is Jeff Clark, and I'm the current president of the Friends of the Library. And on behalf of the board of directors, I would like to thank all the members of the 50th anniversary committee who's worked to plan and put this event together. They did such a good job, and also want to thank the staff of the library for hosting us and for all the work that they've done to make today possible. Just over 50 years ago, a diverse group of local citizens came together for a common cause to support and advocate for the Macon County Public Library. They did this because they held a shared belief that a public library is an essential element in establishing and maintaining an enlightened and informed community. Today we gather to honor the legacy of those like-minded individuals and the fruit of their labor that we see all around us. As we celebrate the accomplishments of the Friends of the Library, we are also reminded that the work is ongoing. Without the dedicated service of our volunteers and members, the Friends would not be able to continue its mission. So today we will hear from some very special friends whose work and service helped get us to where we are today and whose contributions serve as an inspiration. Our first speaker is Miss Susie Cade. Now, my first recollection of Miss Cade was when I was a student at Macon Middle School, and that wasn't that long ago. Miss Cade served as librarian.
You can see from far and near a world you never